Welcome to my channel. Watercolor. When we first paint a picture, the easiest and cheapest way is to use one form or another of watercolor. When we are starting, it is not necessary to spend a large sum of money on paint. We can get our watercolors in one of three ways: cake, pan, tube. The choice is really a matter for us to decide after trying out the different kinds. We must always work for light to dark in watercolor because we can see through most of the colors, so we cannot put a light color over a dark. If we do this, the color underneath will show through. Poster color. Poster color is really a kind of watercolor which is made specially bright to reach the eye when it is used in poster or on cards. Anode. We mix poster colors with water. They are different from watercolor. Poster colors are very thick. You cannot see through them. They can be both in cakes, tubes, or little glass jars. Poster colors can also be used with watercolors. If we feel our watercolor looks a little weak or dull when we have finished it, we have to put a few strokes here and there of thick poster colors. This can bring paints to life. Oil painting. For oil painting, we can use canvas, hardboard, wooden panels, cardboards, or oil papers. Canvas is little costly. Oil paper is cheap. Oil colors are available in tubes. In comparison to make watercolors, we do not need many oil colors. In the beginning, in oil painting with color is used, usually we also require kerosene or raw tarping for cleaning brushes. You may need dippers to keep the two oils for working. Use easily in also convenience in oil painting. Acrylic painting. Acrylic is a very flexible medium. It is used on canvas or illustration board. The color can also dilute in water. It becomes waterproof after drying. Paintings made by this medium often look like oil painting. Tempera. Hazy watercolor is called tempera. Tempera is made by a mixture of blue and the yellow of an egg. The drawing can be done on the plastered wooden walls, woods, or on copper plates. The painting that is done So the yellow of an egg is called egg tempera. In this case, the width of an egg, half of the yolk with 2 halves of blue, red, vermilion, etc. Tempera is obtained. Secondly, tempera can be made by mixing seeds of tamarind with powdered color. In tempera, all the colors are made relatively heavy, but by mixing some clear paint, wheel paint, it can be used according the need. In Ajanta, Mughal and Rajput painting, the tempera method has been niched. A good many films picture of Jamini Rai saw the use of tempera heavily. A kind of hazy watercolor method is called gouache. Gouache is made by mixing glue with powder color. The backdrop of blanche picture is made by using silk or cotton cloth. Gouache method makes the color quite heavy. By sprinkling glue over the picture and is left to dry a little, and then with the help of brush of color a picture is drawn. Drawing in black and white can be done with 3 hours. 1. With a pen. 2. With a pencil. 3. With charcoal. In a painting, artists can use colors to make up this picture. When we draw with a pen or pencil, we have only the leaf we draw to make the picture. A cream of shading can help to make drawn more lifelike, but it is the line itself that is most important when sketching in pencil. It is very important that sharp knife to be kept to keep the paint sharp. The pencil should not be held too tightly. Force is not needed in drawing. Apart from pencil and pen and in sketching, one can try with charcoal. Thanks for watching this video.